In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset your Razer BlackWidow keyboard. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the process of performing a factory reset on a Razer BlackWidow keyboard, regardless of the model. So each model has its own unique way of being factory reset. However, the steps that I'm going to show you in this video will essentially apply for all of them. The only different one is if you have the macro keys at the left. So there is an additional row of buttons, and I'm going to talk about that particular model later. But for most models, all that you have to do is first, if the keyboard is connected to a PC, disconnect it. If you have a wireless keyboard, just switch it off and make sure that it is not connected to your PC while you perform the reset. To perform the reset, you have to press and hold the escape button, the caps lock button, and the space bar. So in conjunction, press and hold escape, caps lock, and then finally the space bar. Now hold down these buttons and connect the keyboard to your PC while holding them down. It doesn't matter if it is a wired connection or a wireless one. Basically, you need to be holding this combination of buttons, and while you do this, you connect it to your PC. As long as you connect it to your PC while holding down these buttons, it is going to perform a factory reset on itself. And now it should be working. So if the keys weren't working, if the chroma was broken, or any similar issue, this should resolve it. I highly recommend downloading the Razer Synapse software so it can get the latest drivers and make sure that it is working properly. With this done, you should be good to go. Now, like I said before, some keyboards will have an additional row of keys over here at the left. If you have this particular model of Razer keyboards, then what you have to do instead of pressing escape, caps lock, and space is to press escape and macro 5. So only if you have the macro row, you press escape plus macro 5 instead, and this will perform the factory reset. The other steps are the same, so you unplug the keyboard, you start holding escape and macro 5, and you connect the keyboard to your PC while holding down these buttons. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Razer BlackWidow keyboard. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.